you close your eyes and join your hands. Come on, everyone. Yeah. Thank you, God, for the voice so sweet. Thank you, God, for the birds so sing. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for everything. So, children, with this prayer, we will start our today's chapter. Now, children, which is a very special day for you, which is a very special day which you wait for, and when you are very special for everyone, which is that day? That is your birthday. Okay, children, that is your birthday. So yesterday was my birthday, and yesterday was my birthday, and I would like to tell you about my birthday. Okay, so just a moment. Now, yesterday was my birthday, and my mother baked a delicious cake, a yummy cake for me. So, what kind of cake she made for me? Yummy. What is that? She made a yummy cake for me. Okay. And after that, I invited all my friends and my friends and I gave a lovely colorful caps to my friends to wear because it was a fun day full of enjoyment. So what did I do? I gave colorful colorful caps, caps. Next is, you know now, your birthday is incomplete without getting any gifts. So all your friends, mummy, daddy, uncle, auntie, all give you lovely gifts because you are all waiting for the gift because birthday means lot of wishes and lot of gifts. So what happened? My mummy gave me lovely gift. When the friends have come, so I have to give them some eatables. I gave them cake. I gave them sweet juice also. So what was the juice like? It was sweet. So I gave them sweet juice. Now children, if I tell you that it was my birthday, my mother baked a cake, I gave caps to my friend, I got gift, I gave juice. So it would be a boring thing, right? When I add some interesting words to this sentences, then it is very interesting to listen. Okay? So now, which is the interesting word here? What kind of cake did my mummy bake? That was yummy. What kind of cake, what kind of cap did I give to my friends? That was colorful, right? And what kind of gift did I get from my auntie, uncle, and friends? That was a lovely gift. Okay. And what sweet I gave? What was the taste of that juice? That was sweet. So, children, did you understand this yummy, yummy, colorful, sweet, lovely are all making my talking interesting or my sentences interesting. So, and it is telling you more about something. What is this cake? Cake is a noun, right? Because it's a thing. So, any words which tells you more about the noun are known as adjectives. So, today we are going to learn a new lesson that is adjective. And in second standard, you were calling this adjectives as describing words. What you were calling it as? Describing words. So today we are going to do that chapter, that is adjectives. Now let us see what adjective tells us. Now, adjective tells you about the size of something. What it tells? The size, right? Then it tells you the taste. What it tells? The taste. It will tell you about the shape. You can see my camera? Yeah. It tells you the shape. Then it tells you how, when you touch something, how you feel. Soft, rough, slimy. Okay. So that is feel. It tells you how you feel when you touch something. Then it tells you the color. It tells you the color. It tells you the smell. What it tells? The smell of something. And it tells you number also. I think you can see 1 minute. Just a moment. I'll just test whether you can see or not. Okay. So what does the adjective tells you? It tells you about the taste. It tells you about the taste. It tells you how you feel when you touch something. It tells you the size of something, big or small or long or tall or short. And then it tells you about the shape, circle, square. It tells you about number, how many, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it tells you about the smell. What it tells? Smell and the color. Red, blue, green is the color. So children, did you understand what do you mean by adjectives? It tells you more about the noun. What it tells? It tells you more about the noun. Now let me show you something interesting. Now children, you go to school. So this is your school necessity. The very important one is the bag. Okay? You like this bag? This is the paper bag I have made. And let us take all the describing words from this. That is the adjectives from this bag only. Okay. Now, what kind of bag this is? Can anyone tell me? Give me the answer in the chat if you know. Yes. Can you describe this bag? The color, the shape. You can chat it and tell me. Come on. Yes. How is the bag? It is pretty. It is pretty. What kind of bag? Pretty bag. So pretty is an adjective and bag is a noun because it's a thing. Now next one. Just a moment. Now the next one is light. How is it's a paper bag, so it is light. So it tells you the weight also. How is the bag? It's a light bag. So light is a adjective. Next is, how many are there? I can see only one bag. Can you see two bag or one bag? It is only one. So that is number. So adjective also tells you the number. Okay. So it is one bag. How many bag? One bag. Next is colorful. There are many colors over here. Green, orange, red. So what kind of bag it is? It is a colorful bag. Next one is, it's a big bag. What is the shape of this bag? It's a square bag. Is it a small bag? I don't think. You can take at least one book in that. It's a big bag. Okay. So it's a big bag. Next one, it's a beautiful bag. What? It's a beautiful bag, right? So how many adjectives we got? We got beautiful. See, if I tell I have a bag, it becomes very boring. So make your sentences interesting by adding adjectives. So we should always add adjectives when we are speaking. So this is, I have a beautiful bag. If you tell I have a bag, it's boring. So how we can make this bag interesting? By telling I have a beautiful bag. Then I have a big bag. Then I have a colorful bag, right? Next is, I have one bag. Next is, I have a light bag. It is light. So, light bag. I have a pretty bag. So, did you understand? So many adjectives you got now. Now, I'm showing you one more thing, which is also very pretty. You can see this flower basket, right? Now, I have all the adjectives written here. What kind of, how many flowers are there? There are many, right? See here. You can see many colors. So there are many flowers. Next is green leaves. What is that? Green leaves. So here what happens? Many will be the adjective and many will be the adjective and flower will be the noun. And green will be the adjective because it is telling how the leaves are. So how the leaves are? Leaves are green. So green is the adjective and leaves is a noun, right? Next one, yellow flowers. What kind of flowers it has? Yellow flowers. Okay, yellow and orange and pink, everything, but I've written here yellow. So yellow will be the adjective and flower will be the noun. Next is tiny leaves. You can see tiny leaves also there. Small leaves. So that is tiny. So tiny will be the adjective and leaves will be the noun. Okay. So I finished showing you two things. Now comes the interesting one. And you have seen this creature in movies. You have seen this creature, or you have read or come across through stories. And seeing these creatures, you might get little scared, but do not get scared. Okay. So I have made you something nice, and that is the monster. Who is this? The monster, right? He looks so dangerous, right? Yeah. So how he looks? He looks angry also. His face is red. Now, a big monster. What kind of monster he is? He's a big monster. A scary monster. Now, when you see him, you will be scared, not happy, right? You will run away. So, this is a scary monster. Next is strong. He's very strong. Okay. Then next is rude. He is not polite. He is not humble, but he is very rude. Rude monster. You can see his expression and you can see his teeth also, right? How sharp it is. And angry monster. And see, it has, the creature has sharp teeth. Now tell me, did you like this monster? Yes? Yeah. Now, let us see where are the adjectives. Big monster. So where is the adjective there? Where is the adjective? You can also chat with me if you can give the answers. You can give the answers to me if you know. Yes, children? Okay. Now next is, what kind of monster it was? It was a scary monster, very scary. Next, a strong, very strong. So strong is also, if I say there was a monster, it becomes very boring. But when I describe the monster, that is the adjective. When I put lot of adjective in a sentence, it makes the sentence very interesting. Okay. And if you tell anyone you are a boy, okay, but he will be not happy with that. But if you tell you are a very good boy, you are a very intelligent boy, the person gets happy. Why? Because your sentences were very interesting. So always adjectives are added to make your sentences interesting. When you write a story, adjectives are very important to be added. Okay. Now, here it is, big monster. So what kind of monster? It is very big. So big is describing the monster. Okay. The shape, the weight. So adjectives tells us about the shape, about the color, smell, taste, feel also. Now this, you can see this paper is very smooth. So it's a smooth paper. So what happens? It is a extra words added to a noun to give us more information about that thing, right? Now, it tells you about the weather also. It is a rainy day. It is a cloudy day. It is a bright day. It is a gloomy day. Okay, so all these words also tells you about the weather. So adjectives are very, very important. Now, so big monster, scary monster, strong monster. Next is rude monster, angry monster, and he has sharp teeth. So sharp will be what? It is an adjective. It tells you how the teeth are and now how the teeth is. Okay. Now next is angry. How is the monster? He's angry. So angry is an adjective. Rude is an adjective. Strong is an adjective. Next is scary is an adjective and big is also an adjective. Okay, children, did you understand what do you mean by adjective? Adjective means the words which describes the noun or a pronoun, which tells you more about the noun. Noun you have already learned. It tells you about the person, place, animal, or thing. So such kind of words are known as describing words. Describing words is a pet name of adjective, and adjective is the real name. Okay, so now let me share my screen so we can see the PPT made for you. Just a moment. Now, children, let us see this presentation. Now, an adjective describes a noun. Taste, it tells you the taste, it tells you the color, it tells you the smell, it tells you the looks of the person, it tells you the sound, it tells you the size. It tells you how you feel. It tells you the sound, how many, the number also it tells, and the behavior of the person. Now you can see how is the taste of the ice cream? It is sweet. How is the color of this tiger? It is orange. Next is how the omelette and bread taste? Yummy. How the girl looks? Pretty. How is the giraffe? That it shows you the size, that it is tall. And if you touch the rabbit, you feel very soft. So you feel soft. Soft rabbit. So that is soft is an adjective. Then quiet atmosphere, quiet class. So quiet will be what? An adjective. Two flowers. How many? Two flowers. So two will be the adjective. And here funny clown. So clown will be the noun and funny will be the adjective. Now let us see. It is a tiny ant. So how is the ant? What is the shape of the ant? How is it? It is tiny. So tiny is an adjective. Next is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is a huge, sorry, this is a wrong one. Mita stays in a tall tower. So what is that? Mita stays in a tall tower. So tall will be the Tall will be the adjective. The baby has blue eyes. So blue will be the color of the baby, is the color of the baby's eyes. It is describing the eyes. So it is an adjective. The old man was walking with a stick. So old is a old. Which word is describing the man? That is old. So old will be the adjective. John had 9 candles on his cake. How many candles? The number is always an adjective. So 9 candles. Before the noun, there is one number, that is 9. And candle is a noun. So John had 9 candles on his cake. Next, let us see how we can describe this lovely birthday cake. Now, the first one is soft. When you touch the cake, it is very soft. So soft cake. Yummy cake. The taste, it shows you the taste. Next is one cake. Creamy cake. Round cake. It is showing you the shape of the cake. Next is beautiful cake. Okay. Now, next one. How is the mango? Can you all describe the mango? Can you tell me one by one the thing, like how the mango looks or how it tastes? When you touch, how you feel? So the first one is, it is delicious. You know, now everyone likes mango. It's a very delicious fruit which you get in summers. Next is juicy. We make amras of it. We take out the pulp also. And sometimes we make juice of it and drink. So it's a juicy fruit. Then pulpy. Pulpy means for the inside thing, soft thing we take out to eat. So that is a pulpy one. Okay, so it's a pulpy fruit. Next is fresh. Everyone likes fresh mangoes. So fresh is also an adjective. Next is yellow, the color. It is a sweet mango, yellow color. And it is a ripe mango. Okay. If it is raw, then it would have been green color. But it is a ripe mangoes, yellow color. Yellow is a describing word or an adjective. Next is big. Big is also an adjective, big mango. Now let us see. Add adjectives to the following words. A dash day. Now I have to describe that day. I have to give one adjective for that day. So what I will do? It is a bright day. So I describe that day. What kind of day? Bright day. Okay. Now how would be the road? How would be the road? The road is muddy. Muddy road. A muddy road. Soldiers. Can you describe the soldiers? How they are? They are brave. So a brave soldier. A dashboard. You can write anything. What kind of, a dash table. Any kind of table. Square you can tell. Round you can tell. Or you can say a wooden table, an iron table. That tells you about the table. The word that tells you about the table here is wooden. So I have written wooden table, right? Next is a dash kitten. What kind of kitten it would be? A cute kitten. A dash girl. What kind of girl? How is she? Beautiful girl. Okay. Now next one. I have long hair. Where is the adjective there, children? Where is the adjective? That is, what kind of hair you have? That's long hair. Ronnie is a brave boy. What kind of boy Ronnie is? Which word is describing the boy? That is brave. Kolkata is a big city. So, city is a noun and the word which is telling you about that noun is big. The old lady is sleeping. How is the lady? She is old. My father is a kind man. So it shows you the quality of your father. How is your father? He is a kind man. The quality of that man. So adjective tells you about the quality. Next is, it is a heavy bag. So what kind of bag? It's a heavy bag. I lost my blue dress. Which dress we lost? Which dress? It was a blue dress. So children, did you, now one more here, one activity we have, that is we have to describe this. I have already written the answers here. It's a beautiful landscape, right? So yes, and you can see the house. How is the house? Big or small? Big or small? It's a small house. You can see down the pretty flowers, right? Near the water. Next is pink lotus. What is the color of the lotus? Pink. So pink is the adjective. Paper boats. The kids are playing with the paper boats, right? So paper will be here an adjective because it is describing the boat. Two children. You can see how many children are there? Two children. And a green grass. What's the color of the grass? Green. So beautiful, small, pretty, pink, paper, two, green are all describing words, or it is known as adjectives. So children, I hope you understood what are adjectives. Adjectives are the word that describes the noun. Okay, what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describes the noun. So once more we will see. So what adjective tells you about? Adjective tells you about the size, the feel, the color, the smell, number. Next is taste, shape, smell, and shape. Okay. So all these adjectives tell you, and it is very important to add adjectives when you are writing something. So children, I hope you understood this lesson, and once more, you can give different adjective for this cake. You can tell yummy cake, delicious cake. What is the shape of the cake? It is a square cake. How many candles are there on the cake? 3 candles. So all this makes your sentences interesting by adjectives. Now, here I have a gift box. So you can tell, what you can tell? Lovely gift, precious gift. Next is beautiful gift. So you have numbers of adjectives which you can add to a noun. So adjectives are the words that describes a noun or a pronoun. So children, with this we end our session. We will meet you in the next session with a new chapter. Till then, bye. Press the red button and move. Bye-bye.